In this video, I'll show you how to use have to. What do you have to do? In this question, this is in the present tense, and then have to, meaning that something is necessary, and then the main verb is do. In the answer, the subject is I, have to, and then the main verb is go. This is the activity after go. This is not the main verb. The main verb is go, and both of these are in the present tense. To make the past tense, change the helping verb to did. What did you have to do? And then in the answer, I had to go shopping. The main verb is still here in the simple form, and had to is used to describe a past activity. This is what have to looks like when you use it in the present tense. The main verb goes here. If the main verb is, for example, go, I have to go shopping. I have to go to work. You have to, and then the main verb. After he, she, or it, in the third person singular, use has. He has to do some shopping, or he has to finish his work. So the main verb would go here, but this changes to has. We have to, you have to, and they have to. Using have to in the past tense is very easy. Just use had to and then the main verb. It doesn't matter what the subject is. You always use had to and then the main verb. To use have to in the present tense negative, add do and not in front of have to and then the main verb. I don't have to go shopping. You don't have to make dinner. He doesn't have to return the books. Notice that after doesn't, use have to, not has to. You just change the helping verb. She doesn't have to pay the fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. In this example here, the main verb is be. To make the past tense negative, change the helping verb. Instead of using don't or doesn't, just use didn't. I didn't have to go shopping today. You didn't have to make dinner. He didn't have to return the books. She didn't have to pay the fine. It didn't have to be perfect. To make a question in the present tense, use do in front of the subject, and then have to, and then the main verb is in the simple form. Do I have to be here tomorrow? In a question like this, you can use the present tense to ask a question about the future. This would be the future. Do you have to do anything today? The main verb is do. You're asking the question with do, and then after the subject, have to. Does he have to go shopping? With he, she, or it, make sure the helping verb is does, and then you use have to, and then the main verb will go after to. Does he have to go shopping? Does she have to take the bus? Does it have to restart? To make the past tense in the form of a question with have to, put did in front of the subject it doesn't matter what the subject is, you always use did, and you always will use have to, and then the simple form of the verb for the main verb.